She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alexa and I post curly hair videos weekly. In today's video, I'm going to be using hair wax. I'm going to be using the ORS Curls Unleash in Mystic. I'm really excited to be using this product because since we are in quarantine, I got bored of my hair color, and dyeing my hair is something that I won't ever do just because I don't want to damage my curls. So I think this is really fun. So in the back it does say to wear gloves during application, take an adequate amount of color wax in your hand, using your fingertips apply product to your hair and styled as desired. So my hair is wet right now. I did deep condition because I do want to make sure my hair has a lot of moisture. And also, I'm going to be using this gel from Cantu. I really like this gel. It leaves my hair soft, never crunchy, and I just want to see how this combination works. And I'm also going to be applying a little bit more water and using my diamond brush. And I also have a shirt that I don't care about just because I don't want to mess up a shirt that I like. Okay, so first I'm going to put these gloves I have. I'm so excited to see how my hair is gonna turn out. And this is the first time I'm applying hair wax, so I hope it doesn't look like a disaster. So I'm just starting off with applying my styling product. I'm just gonna do what I usually do with the diamond brush. So now let's start applying the hair wax, and I'm just going to be taking like a quarter size amount. So I did start off with a little bit of product, but I soon realized that I needed more product because I wasn't really seeing the color there. So I did take some more. I'll say I took about like 3/4 in amount. To me, this product smells like really strong male cologne. That's the only thing that comes to my mind, but the smell doesn't linger and I cannot smell it at all today. So this product does have beeswax, and it's the natural beeswax because it's not telling me otherwise. So I do think it might be curly girl friendly, because when I did look up beeswax ingredients that aren't curly girl friendly, they were a totally different thing than what's on the label here. I was tempted to add more product to my hair, but I was a little bit scared because I saw other girls' videos doing this and they said their hair was really crunchy, so I definitely didn't want that. So I did try my best to minimize the amount of product I was using. So is this something that you guys want to try, or have you tried it already? Just comment below and let me know. I want to know what you guys did, your experiences, or if you're planning to do it. What I like about this hair wax is that it comes off within your next hair washed. So I did dirty my face a little bit because I'm a little reckless, and I'm just cleaning my face here, struggling, not trying to get it on face again. It was really easy to take off. Okay guys, so my hair is like a little bit dry right now, and I applied some more color to like the parts that are drying, and I noticed it got a little bit more vibrant than when I was applying it when wet. So I'm just going to be applying some color, and also for like some reason I noticed like it's just applied better without gloves. Maybe the gloves I was using wasn't for this, and I'm just going to apply it to like certain pieces that I want to be like really vibrant. So like here, you see how like bright that got? I'm gonna put some here. And it comes off, like it comes off when you wash your hand. But of course, like I know some people don't like touching things like that. I'm gonna put some here. I'm trying not to put so much on my roots. Like I'm trying to make it look kind of like natural. I don't know what I'm doing. Sounds like I know like I'm a hairstylist, but I don't know what I'm doing. Hey guys, so now this is day 2 here, and this is how my hair is looking like. So I do like it a lot. The color looks really different. It definitely doesn't look like my hair color that I have, and it just looks really cool. I did think it was going to be a little bit lighter because it is lighter like when you look at it, but it is a little bit dark, but I'm not mad. It still looks really cool. So one thing that I do want to say is my hair is a little crunchy. I was expecting my hair to be a little crunchier than it is right now. So that is really nice, and I feel like the more I go like this, like the more that cast breaks apart. But what this is reminding me of is like when I was in middle school and I used to buy those like $1 or $2 hair gels, and I used to like put that on my hair, and that's the texture that I'm feeling from this right now. So yeah, one thing that I do need to mention is my hair does have some flakes. When I woke up this morning and I was fluffing it out, I noticed a lot of white flakes coming down, and that's something that never happens to my hair. I use a lot of hair products and it never happens, so it's definitely this hair wax. And yeah, also my hair doesn't have as much volume as it usually does, and I feel like a lot of my curls are really stringy. So I don't know if it was my method of application. Maybe if I applied it on dry hair it will be way easier, but I do have really thick hair, and I have so much hair that I feel like if I did it on dry hair it will be harder. And also if my curls were like defined like they usually are, they will just break apart. So I definitely think this is really fun. I would like to try another color. I know they have like a color in sangria that will probably come out better on my hair than this, but this looks really cool if you are bored of your hair color and if you do want to try something new. So I am gonna go grab the shirt that I had yesterday just so that you guys can see what it looks like, because it did get some of the color on it, but I'm sure it's going to come off. So let me just go grab that and I'll be back. Okay, so I have the shirt I was wearing yesterday, and this is what it's looking like. It has like some purple right here. Wait, let me find like a spot. It's not that much honestly, but if you guys can see, it has like some purple there. And also you guys saw that I was applying this with like at one point I did come on camera because I did want to make like the color more vibrant, so I did use my hands and it did come off. So you can see I have no purple on my hands. So it didn't get over my pillow, it didn't like stain my shirt or anything, and I don't think it's like staining my shirt now. And also I do notice that when I like touch my hair, like some of the color does get transferred, but it's like really minimal. It was happening earlier, it's not really happening right now. And another thing that I do want to mention is I did put a lot of color right here, so something that I'll do in the future if I use this product again is I'll probably start from here down, or maybe I'll apply less product up there. And also I think you guys can see the flakes. I think that's where it's coming from mostly. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come here real quick to show you what my hair is looking like. It's like 6 hours later since I filmed that last clip, and my hair did get more volume, and also that really like crunchy feeling, it's going away. I just have it a lot like up here. I think it's just because I did apply a lot of product up there and I didn't apply that much to the ends. But yeah, this is how it's looking like. I'm glad that it's getting more volume. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will be posting another video really soon.